Big new adventure. That's what we're going to do. We're still going to do the motorcycle stuff, but we're going to be traveling in our RV. It's a larger one. There's lots of videos on here of people parking smaller ones in parking lots and up goat trails. But you can't do that with a big RV. So follow our channel, enjoy the motorcycling and the RV traveling. Today's adventure was a car show and out to dinner. Hope you enjoy what you're about to see. So what's that 55 look like?
I didn't say 55.
Yes.
I said 7.
Yeah. Well, here we are at the Yuma County Fair again. We're going to go see some cars. Maybe we can find a 55 Chevy in there somewhere. Maybe if we look hard. All right, Vicky, get your money out. Here we go. Right. There's the 57 that my buddy just lost $100 on, telling me it was a 55. Tell me about your Mustang here.
So, it's a 1986 Ford Mustang GT. First year for fuel injection.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's got a 5-lug swap. It's got the 03 to 04 Mach 1 wheels.
Oh, yeah, they come out with 4 lugs, didn't they?
Yeah. It's got a short throw, Steeda Triac short throw shifter in it. You know, pretty stock. It's got Flowmaster exhaust on it. You know, new air intake, but that's pretty much it.
Can we hear it?
Yeah.
Let's hear that. Flowmaster. I had that on one of my Camaros, the last Camaro I had, really.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds good. Sounds better. Sounds better.
Oh, and it's got a new SPE high performance, high torque starter in it.
You race it?
No.
Come on. You gotta go to the track.
On the street.
Yeah.
It's got rebuilt training.
Yeah? Who built it?
I'm not entirely sure.
Not sure?
Because my automotive teacher, his dad has a transmission shop.
Well, you want your picture on here? What's your name?
Connor Waterhouse.
Connor what?
Connor Waterhouse.
Connor Waterhouse.
Yeah.
Well, he didn't get to put his car in the car show, so we wanted to film it out here because it's sure a beauty. On to the show. Thanks for showing me your car, man.
You're welcome.
Well, here we are. Let's see who's here.
Yeah.
Didn't look like there was many cars here when we pulled up, did there, dear?
Ain't happening.
We're at Old School City, and they got some cool looking hats and t-shirts. And one of the guys looked really handsome, but I ain't gonna say which one. Not many cars here.
Not yet. I heard tomorrow's the big day.
Oh, well, we came on the wrong day then.
Well, what are they charging to get in for then? Nobody here.
Guys, let me clue you in on this one. Don't come here on Friday night, because this is it. This is, I mean, these nice cars, but it's ridiculous. Why are they even charging? Nobody's here. Just take a look at what we got here. I don't know what year for sure that is. Look at the tail lights, that'll tell us. I'm thinking it's a custom 50 Chevy, very custom. I used to have a green 4-door like that. Lots of music, so I had to dub this in. He's closer than he looks, guys. Beautiful lights, beautiful artwork. I think the Russians are attacking.
72. You can just barely see it. 72. You said 62.
Did I say 60? Yeah, I meant 72. That's the same as Christopher's. This could be a 65 Mustang.
I like those rims.
Oh yeah. Got some detail work under here too.
This is only 5.7. The Hellcat's a 6.2.
Yeah, this. Now is this a, what do you call it, Hellfire?
It's actually a Dodge Charger, but it's a Katana edition. They've only made 1,300 of these
Wow.
for the 2016 year.
These trunks are big enough on these cars. Back in the day, they slept in them. I think they were called business coupes. Somebody will set me straight on that one, I think. Another music.
It's a nice paint job. Oh, over there.
Hey, welcome to Gearheads 11. This is kind of an informal evening. First time we've done a Friday night registration party. Tomorrow this whole area will be filled with cars. We've got them coming in all through the night. First thing I want to say is Natalie Alvarez. I found something that belongs to you. Natalie Alvarez, come to the stage, please.
The chief will like that.
Yeah, the Chief's gonna like that one.
All right, so we got a
Let's
cool
take-
weekend ahead of us.
I think that's Sandy.
Show off
Isn't that Sandy back in the day?
Back in the day.
Back in the day.
Car called the Old Winemaker. He's going to make some noise for us to christen us into Gearheads 11. And again, if you're a spectator and you're here tonight, just know tonight's an informal, registration party. The beer's cold, the food's hot. And now if we can turn our attention to the Old Winemaker.
Well, if you stayed here long enough, you would get your money's worth, but I shouldn't have charged on the setup night. Yep. Oh, an old Hemi.
I used a lot of leftover in somebody else's part.
Yeah.
So what, you call it a car or you call it a rat rod?
I think it's more of a hot rod than a rat rod.
All right.
But I got Mickey riding with me, so it's kind of a Mickey Mouse.
I like how you did the interior with road signs.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
69?
Not for sure.
68.
Then we'll run across. They're coming in slowly, but we'll have to be here all night long to get them all. And we ain't gonna do that.
Well, we can come back after dinner and get in for free.
$10,000 bingo.
There you go.
Use up our tickets.
Yep. Because they're coming in.
Come back after dinner and see what else is here.
Just took a dive.
All right, let's walk over this way. Okay. That'll ruin a guy's hearing. Oh, they got some cars over there, but we'll have to hopefully get over there before they do music. I had one of these. I often wondered where the heck it went. Last I heard it was up in Washington somewhere. I'd taken mine and turned it into a 4x4, put a Ford 4-wheel drive system underneath it. And traded it off, and then the guy went up there with it.
2,500 horsepower. If you never hear nitro, I think you're in for a treat. Fire it up.
750 at the most.
750 at the most. I think he's only got 300 horsepower actually, but
For silver.
we won't tell nobody.
Per cylinder, yeah, there you go. All right, first on methanol, then it switches
Wow. That's rough on the old eardrums.
Give a round of applause to the old winemaker. Get that in your ears tonight, gearheads, and kick us off. We appreciate it. And y'all around what city, sir? Phoenix, Arizona. Give a round of applause, you in Phoenix, Arizona.
Even in Yuma, the old hot rodders are
We started a
old.
little bit when it turns night.
That was louder than you would believe.
And all these are going to start up. We got another nitro car over there. That dragster sitting right there was the second dragster to ever get into the 5-second range in a quarter mile. So there's a lot of horsepower there. And then we got this piece right here. And then of course we have this machine, this alcohol blown pickup truck over here, and this beautiful, beautiful car that's been remade. This was wrecked not long ago. Flipped it. But they put it back together. She's here tonight, so we'll get a good look at her. Give them another round of applause. I don't see anybody on the zip line. I brought in a zip line. Okay, get a couple more beers in you, right? Apple juice. I like apple juice. What's your name? Lucy. Are you with anybody or you just came by yourself? Okay,
Thought this was a wheelie car, but it ain't.
all right. So we're gonna
Or if
turn
it
back over
is,
to the DJ.
ain't got no way to
Underground
steer
Records
it.
in the house.
Well, let's look at something else.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's what I meant to say. Natalie Alvarez. If you're Natalie Alvarez, come to the stage, please.
Well, that's it for that. Hope you enjoyed that part, because here comes the music. Y'all know the rules. I can't put any music on here or they get really upset back there at YouTube headquarters. So I get to put on 14 seconds of each one of them songs. I hope you enjoyed them and didn't find them too obnoxious. Anyway, enjoy the rest of this without music. Always beautiful sunsets down here in Yuma. Not too impressed with the old car show. They should have let everybody in for free on the night they don't have nobody here yet, you would have thought. But that's a beautiful sunset right through there. I don't know if you can see, there's an RV right there. RVs everywhere. You can see the airport from here better. That's why we're getting all the airplanes. See if we can see one taking off this way. If we do, I'll film it for you guys. I promise. Well, we're downtown at Mia Rancho. I don't know if you can see that. Probably too bright. Trust me, that's what it says. This is where all the eateries are. Downtown Yuma. Or uptown Yuma. I think downtown you got to drop down to go over there. But this is where the Eddie's Grill is up that way. This place is apparently very good because there's a 30-minute wait just to get in. So, anyway, don't know if we're going to do that or not, but that's where we are at this moment. I think that's 4th we're on right now. Well, it was hard to find. We wanted to get down there, couldn't figure it out, but we wanted to get to this bridge right here. It's called, as you can see, Ocean to Ocean Highway Yuma. And why do they call that there? I can't, you know what, I got a night light on here somewhere. I got to figure out how to turn it on. Oh, that's okay. We can see it there. Remember why they call that that?
The ocean to ocean?
Yeah.
The Gateway Bridge?
Yeah.
Because it connects the Pacific to the Atlantic. It was the first bridge across the Colorado River.
Oh, across the Colorado River.
Which is right below us.
I'm not going to walk too close because I can't see the edge. There it is. That's the Colorado River?
Yep.
Well, we wanted to see this at night, and so we're seeing it at night. It's a one-way bridge. Are we on the California side?
Yes.
We're in California. And right over there is Arizona. Freeway's up there, and that's Interstate 8.
Yes.
Where all the cars are going. Well, that's it from the G-Man.